How to block someone online. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to block someone on the Line app. First, open the Line app on your phone and go to the Friends tab right here. Tap on it. Now find the friend or contact you want to block by scrolling or using the search bar right here. You can search for them or you can just scroll down until you see someone who you want to block. Okay, once you find them, just long press on their name and you will see block right here. Tap on block. Again tap on block. And just like that, you will just block the person. Repeat the same process for the next one. Like this. If you ever want to unblock them, you can do that from your block list in the settings. And that's how easy it is to block someone online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.